Meaning of hake.
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 Hake. Hake is a type of white fish that is commonly found in the North Atlantic and Mediterranean Sea. It has a firm, white flesh and a mild flavor, making it a popular choice for cooking. Hake is often used in dishes such as fish and chips, fish stews, and grilled fish. It is a good source of protein and omega-3 fatty acids, which have been linked to a range of health benefits, including improved heart health and cognitive function. Overall, hake is a versatile and nutritious fish that can be enjoyed in a variety of dishes.